Hello everyone! Ako po si Kuku and I'm here at New Hatchin Studios here in Makati, the official and exclusive partner of S&B products. Diba nga? Official nga, exclusive pa. Today we'll be making a really simple recipe. It looks intimidating at first, but I swear, kahit wala kang masyadong experience in the kitchen, kayang-kaya nyo na to. You can do this for your family on Christmas dinner, your friends or loved ones, even your jowa's family if you have a jowa. Today, we'll be making some Christmas holiday treats, roast chicken, and carbonara with a Japanese twist, thanks to our friends at S&B and their products. To help spice up our chicken, ang gagamitin natin today is this Yuzu Kosho, which is a spicy, salty, tasty sensation, which is Japan's most amazing citrus condiment. And also S&B's Table Pepper, which is a mixture of white and black pepper. For our Carbonara Rosa, we will be using Shichimi Togarashi powder, Layu Chili Oil, and S&B's Crunchy Garlic with Chili Oil. Kaya ito yung ginagamit natin ngayon because it's not like your regular chili garlic. It has additional almonds, which gives that additional umami flavor and is perfect to pair with your pasta or carbonara. All of these ingredients are available at all New Hatchin retail stores, Lazada, and all of your leading supermarkets. Alright, to start off with our marinade, we'll be using 5 tablespoons of patis. Now, let's add some acidity with some lemon. We're gonna half this. For some sweetness, let's add some sugar. Now, we'll be using our first S&B product of the day, the table pepper. This time, we'll be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Ito na yung Yuzu Kosho. There you go. And lastly, we'll be adding some garlic. I usually use around 5 to 6. So we're gonna crush it first. Now let's add the marinade to the chicken. We're going to massage the chicken. Make sure it's nice and covered in marinade. I'd really recommend na mag-overnight tong marinade. We're gonna set this aside. Okay, after marinating the chicken, ilalagay natin sa air fryer for about an hour, 180 degrees Celsius. Okay. So while the chicken is cooking, let's get started on our carbonara. We're using udon instead of pasta noodles. So get your boiling water. It will take about 2 minutes now to cook. That's the texture is how we want it. Good. Remove it from the bowl. Just stir it. Okay, so start muna tayo sa carbonara cream sauce. 3 tablespoons of milk. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose cream. And then 1 tablespoon of cheddar cheese. Okay, let's get our pan up first. We're going to be using about half a cup of bacon. We're going to extract the fat, get it to crispy. So we're going to add around 3 teaspoons of crunchy garlic. Okay, mix that in. Now we'll add our cream. Last but not least, we'll add the udon. Yeah. Haluin natin. Good mix. Salt to taste. With some togarashi for some umami flavor. Add some layu oil. Ooh, yeah. Smell that. Woo! I think you like it. Let's go to plating. Nice one, guys. We're going to nori seaweed. Basically, fold it in half. So we're going to put the seaweed on top. On top here. Crunchy garlic chili oil on top. Clean up lang the side of the plate. Here you go. Carbonara Udon with Crunchy Chili Garlic Oil, made with S&B products.
Oh yeah, that's good.
So get the juices, put it here. We call it the drippings. Get a spoon, score some on top. There we go.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, that's so good.
You have to try this. Alright, I hope you guys learned a few things today. Sana you guys get to try this. This is very easy, and I hope you all get to try this. Again, my name is Kachu. You can follow me on TikTok and Instagram at @kru_kachu. Visit New Hatchin at Cartimar, Makati, Katipunan, and Mabini. Merry Christmas and sana masarap yung ulam nyo araw-araw.